Homeowners in Dallas, Texas, know that creating the perfect home means finding the right balance between beautiful design and practical comfort. From sleek modern builds in Uptown to updated ranch-style homes in North Dallas, today's homeowners are embracing upgrades that not only enhance aesthetics but also improve day-to-day livability. One of the most popular options delivering both is the slider window, a timeless, space-saving, and energy-efficient design that perfectly suits modern Dallas homes. Slider windows offer more than just a clean, minimalist look. They bring in natural light, improve ventilation, and make maintenance easy, all while providing the durability needed for Texas weather. Here's why slider windows are becoming a favorite choice among Dallas homeowners seeking both style and function. Streamlined design for modern living. Dallas architecture has shifted toward open, light-filled layouts that blur the line between indoors and outdoors. Slider windows, with their broad panes and horizontal gliding motion, naturally complement this design trend. Their sleek, unobtrusive frames create a modern aesthetic that pairs well with any home style, from contemporary to transitional. The wide glass panels offer panoramic views and abundant sunlight, making rooms feel larger and more inviting. Whether you're updating a mid-century home in Lakewood or designing a new build in Frisco, slider windows provide the minimalist charm that defines modern Texas living: simple, elegant, and effortlessly functional. Effortless operation and space efficiency. Unlike windows that swing outward or inward, slider windows glide horizontally along a track, a design that makes them ideal for tight spaces or high-traffic areas. They're perfect for spots where traditional windows might be inconvenient, such as behind furniture, over kitchen sinks, or along patios. The smooth gliding mechanism allows for easy one-handed operation, making them accessible for all ages. In addition to convenience, their design eliminates the need for extra clearance space, allowing homeowners to maximize both indoor and outdoor living areas, an important feature for compact urban homes or modern open-concept layouts. Superior ventilation and natural light. One of the greatest advantages of slider windows is their ability to bring in fresh air and natural light, two key elements that enhance comfort and well-being. Because both sashes can slide open, you can easily control airflow throughout the room. This helps regulate temperature naturally, especially during mild Dallas spring and fall days when you can rely less on air conditioning. The large glass panels also flood interiors with daylight, reducing the need for artificial lighting and creating a warm, inviting ambiance that feels bright yet energy efficient. Energy efficiency. Built for the Dallas climate. Dallas homeowners know the challenge of keeping homes comfortable during the long, hot summers. High-quality slider windows are designed with advanced insulation technology to combat Texas heat while maintaining energy efficiency. Features like double or triple pane glass for thermal insulation, low E coatings that reflect heat and UV rays, argon gas fills that reduce heat transfer, weather-tight seals that prevent air leaks and drafts. These elements work together to maintain stable indoor temperatures and reduce strain on your HVAC system. The result? Lower energy bills, a more sustainable home, and year-round comfort, even during peak summer heat. Durable and low-maintenance construction. Slider windows are built to last. Their simple, durable track systems mean fewer moving parts and less maintenance over time. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum resist rust, warping, and fading, ideal for Dallas's mix of sun, wind, and occasional storms. Many slider windows also feature tilt-in or lift-out sashes, making cleaning the glass inside and out easy and safe. That means less hassle and more time to enjoy your home's improved look and comfort. Enhancing home value and curb appeal. Installing slider windows is a smart investment for homeowners who want to elevate their property's appearance and market value. Their modern lines and energy efficiency appeal to today's buyers, who look for both aesthetic appeal and practical upgrades. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply upgrading for long-term comfort, slider windows deliver lasting value through enhanced design, durability, and performance. Final thoughts for Dallas homeowners seeking the perfect balance between modern style and everyday functionality. Slider windows check every box. They combine streamlined aesthetics with energy efficiency, durability, and ease of use, all designed to thrive in the Texas climate. From brightening interiors to reducing energy costs, these windows redefine what it means to live comfortably and beautifully in a modern Dallas home. With professional installation and high-quality materials, slider windows offer a lasting transformation that's as practical as it is stunning.